Positioned on the grade-listed town hall in East London is a monumental mural celebrating a popular uprising against British fascism that took place on October the 4th, 1936. Today considered one of the most important examples of anti-fascist action in the UK, the mural is also one of the last remaining and most important examples of the community mural movement. This is the Cable Street Mural.
Commissioned soon after the 40th anniversary of the battle, the Cable Street Mural was the collective work of 4 artists: David Binnington, Paul Butler, Desmond Rockford, and Ray Walker. Occurring against the backdrop of the Spanish Civil War, and at a moment in which fascist powers were ascendant over the very heart of Europe, 250,000 East Londoners took to the streets to stop a planned march organised by Oswald Mosley, leader of the British Union of Fascists. Mosley's marches were blocked by people from the Jewish community, communists, trade unionists, Labour Party members and Irish dockers, the protesters forcing the fascists out of the East End. The mural took up to 4 years to produce, 3 years by Binnington before the work was vandalised and almost totally destroyed by right-wing nationalists. But Butler, Rockford and Walker did not let this stop them. They continued working collaboratively for another year to bring the work to completion.
The fisheye lens the painting uses forces us to enter into the heart and the heat of the battle itself. Like Philip Guston's work Bombardment, painted in 1937, just a year after the Cable Street battle, the dramatic technique makes us enter into the work bodily and thus forces us to choose a side through its enveloping nature.
This link to Guston's work is likely not accidental. As an artist, Philip Guston had collaborated on several murals as part of a government-funded federal art project in America during the Great Depression. The artists were also hugely influenced by Mexican muralism, in particular the work of Diego Rivera. Dealing with Mexican society, Rivera's work consisted of bold, large-scale murals, stimulating a revival of fresco painting all over Latin America. Rivera's murals were also truly site-specific and public, responding and reacting to the needs of a political moment through a visual form that has a clear message supported by the power of the composition. The composition allows you to read the story, drawing your eye to different parts that steadily build up a complete picture. Francisco Goya's Haunting the 3rd of May, 1808 can be seen as a key influence here too.
Whilst in Goya's masterpiece and the mural here, we gain empathy for the hero from them facing directly towards us, the police in this case, and the executioners for Goya, face away and thus gain our antipathy.
Today, 2 other key murals of this era still survive: the Hackney Peace Carnival mural in Dalston and Nuclear Dawn in Brixton. Both works, contrasting in visual style, contain a similar political message, in this case supporting the campaign for nuclear disarmament in the 1980s. These murals now exist as striking reminders of the social and political history of their time, a key parallel to the Cable Street Mural.
Rather than a nostalgic reminder to a static past, the Cable Street Mural is a monument to a marginalised history and a marginalised community, a monument to the everyday, in which political engagement and community solidarity are key to the aesthetic of the work itself.
As part of the fabric of the city in which they stand, murals can be seen as mirrors, reflecting their environments, yet also as a form of art whose presence can create real, social and political change. This is their real potential, and this is what makes the Cable Street Mural such a critical work of public art today.